Imagine standing in the middle of the world's busiest intersection. Lights flashing, hundreds of people moving in every direction, yet somehow it all flows in perfect harmony. This is Shibuya Crossing, the living, breathing heartbeat of Tokyo. Today, we're diving deep into this electric place and the hidden gems around it that make Shibuya one of Japan's most unforgettable experiences. Every few minutes, the lights turn red, and suddenly the world stops. Then, all at once, it erupts. Nearly 3,000 people cross from every direction in less than a minute. But Shibuya Crossing isn't chaos. It's choreography. It's rhythm. It's Tokyo in motion. The crossing first appeared in the late 1970s, right outside Shibuya Station. Over the years, it became a symbol of modern Japan, a dance of culture, technology, and human rhythm. From above, the view is mesmerizing. An ocean of motion, each step part of a story. Standing here feels like being inside Tokyo's heartbeat, cinematic, alive, and a little bit magical. And before we jump into the rest of Shibuya's highlights, don't forget to grab your free Shibuya travel pack down in the description. It's got a printable checklist, a map, and money-saving tips to make your trip smooth and unforgettable. Just steps away, high above the city, you'll find Shibuya Sky, Tokyo's most breathtaking rooftop observatory. From here, the crossing below looks like a living mosaic. Every light, every person, every story intertwined. Come at sunset for the golden glow, or at night when Tokyo transforms into a galaxy of lights. Just across the crossing, dive into Center Street, a neon-lit maze of fashion, food, and pop culture. From vintage sneaker shops to late-night ramen bars, this is where Tokyo's youth energy comes alive. Every corner buzzes with sound, color, and creativity. When the chaos of Shibuya gets too intense, escape to Miyashita Park, a modern oasis blending green space with urban design. Skateboarders, art installations, rooftop cafes. It's Tokyo's cool, creative side in one spot. Grab a coffee, look out over the skyline, and watch the city flow below. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, Shibuya Crossing never sleeps. It's not just an intersection. It's a mirror of Tokyo itself. Fast, luminous, and endlessly fascinating. So when you visit, don't just walk across. Stop for a moment. Feel the pulse. Because once you've crossed Shibuya, Tokyo will stay with you forever. If this video inspired you to explore Tokyo, hit that like button, subscribe for more cinematic travel guides, and share this video with a friend who dreams of Japan. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next adventure.